Hello everyone! This is me again, Teacher Maisie. This is Grade 3 Math video lesson for Week 2, Day 1. Today's topic is about comparing numbers. For this lesson, we will be using 4 symbols to compare numbers. The first symbol means equal to. This next symbol means unequal to. This symbol means more than or greater than. And the last symbol tells you it's less than or smaller than. Let's have one example for comparing numbers. You have to answer the question, which number is greater? Is it 3,892 or 16,028? Firstly, we have to compare the number of digits in the two given numbers. So 3,892 has 4 digits, 3, 8, 9, and 2. 16,028 has 5 digits, 1, 6, 0, 2, and 8. So from this example, 16,028 is greater than 3,892. We can write this as 16,028 is greater than 3,892. Well, let's have another example. For this one, we have to find which number is greater. Is it 72,458 or is it 42,470? So both numbers have the same number of digits. They both have 5 digits. What we need to do is to compare the digits in the 10,000s place. So we will have a review of our place value table. We have 8 and 0 for ones, 5 and 7 for tens, 4 and 4 for hundreds, 2 and 2 for thousands, and 7 and 4 for 10,000. So we have to compare these 2 digits from the 10,000s place. This is easy to see that 7 is greater than 4. So 72,458 is greater than 42,470. We can write this as 72,458 is greater than 42,470. Now let's take a look at another example. For example number 3, we have to find which one is the smaller number. Compare 6,305 and 6,450. Both of these numbers have the same number of digits. Both of them have 4 digits. So now we will compare the digits in the thousands place. So for ones place, it's 5 and 0. Tens place, 0 and 5. Hundreds place, it's 3 and 4. And thousands place are both number 6. Both numbers have the same digits in the thousands place. That's the number 6. So what we will do is we have to compare the digits in the hundreds place. From here we can see that 3 is less than the number 4. So 6,305 is smaller than 6,450. We can write this as 6,305 is less than or smaller than 6,450. Let's try to answer this drill. Compare the following numbers. Use the symbols greater than, less than, or equal. Find the answer for number 1. number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6. And then continue with number 7. For this number, you are given 5,803 and an expanded form. If you remember expanded form, this one is 5,000 plus 800 plus 3. Try to compare these two numbers. And then go to number 8. Again, you have an expanded form of the number. Compare this to 10,850. Answer number 9, number 10, number 11 as well. Compare 60,005 and an expanded form of a certain number. And then the last one will be number 12. If you are finished, we can now see if your answers are correct. So for number 1, the correct answer is less than. 3,405 is less than 3,450. For number 2, the answer is greater than. For number 3, less than. Number 4, greater than. Number 5, less than. Number 6 is less than. For number 7, you have 5,803. Compare this to 5,000 plus 800 plus 3. The answer is equal. For number 8, you have 10,000 plus 80 plus 5. Compare this to 10,850. The answer is less than. For number 9, it's greater than. For number 10, the answer is less than. For number 11, comparing 60,005 and 60,000 plus 5, the answer is equal. And for number 12, the answer is less than. Now, how many of these items were you able to answer correctly? Let's see the next part. The next part of our lesson is about ordering numbers. Now, there are two ways to order numbers. First one is called the ascending order. This means that numbers are arranged from the smallest to the greatest. Just like the one that you can see in the picture, the smallest number, which is 3,500, and then you go up to 3,510, going up to 3,540, 3,560, and going up to the greatest number, which is 3,580. The other way of ordering numbers is called descending order. The descending order has numbers arranged from the greatest down to the smallest. So from this example, the greatest number is 3,580. Now we have to go down to 3,560, going down to 3,540, going down again to 3,510, and going down to the smallest number, which is 3,500. Try to remember, ascending order means from the smallest to the greatest, and descending order means from the greatest number going down to the smallest number. Now let's see if you can answer this drill. You have to arrange the following numbers in ascending order. Remember what ascending order means. So find the answer for number 1. Which one should come first? The next number until the last number. Do the same for number 2. Which number do you think from this 4 should go first? Next one, and the last number. Now, if you are finished, you can now see the correct answers. Oh, I'm sorry for this one. You have to arrange the numbers in descending order. So before we go and take a look at the answers, answer this part of the drill. Arrange the numbers in descending order. From these 4 numbers, which one do you think should come first? Which one should come next? The third one? And the last number. Do the same for number 2. Which of these 4 numbers should come first? Which one should be the next, the third one, and the last number? Try to think of your answer. Now, if you are ready, you can now see the correct answers. So for number 1, again, arrange the numbers in ascending order. So from what we have reviewed, ascending order means you have to start from the smallest, going up to the greatest number. So from these 4 numbers, the smallest number is 33,009. The next number should be 33,099. The next one is 33,900. And the greatest number is 33,909. Don't forget the steps in comparing numbers. Try to remember all of them. So compare the number of digits. If the number of digits are all the same, because all of these numbers have 5 digits, then start with 10,000s place, go to thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones, and compare each of these digits. For number 2, the smallest number is 71,185. The second one should be 71,518. The next number is 75,811. And the greatest number is 78,151. Now, are you ready to check the answers for the next part? The next part tells you to arrange the numbers in descending order. Remember that descending order means you have to start from the greatest down to the smallest. It's like D for descending, and D means the number should be going down. So which one is the greatest number for number 1? Correct answer is 82,643. This will be followed by 64,382. The next answer is 43,826. And the smallest number is 26,438. I hope that you got all of them right. Now for number 2, the greatest number is 57,041. This is followed by 54,170. The third number should be 51,704. And the smallest number is now 50,471. So those are all the correct answers. I hope that you got all of them right. We will end our lesson here, and you can continue watching the video for answering your workbook.